What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you where to integrate Zendesk with platforms like Slack, Shopify, Salesforce. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to Admin Center, we will go to Apps and Integrations, we'll click on Integrations, and there you see, guys, you've got Salesforce, Shopify, Slack, Workday, and you can select any of these channels that you require. Let's say you wanted to connect your account to Slack. You will click on Slack Connect. So here you're gonna sign into your Slack workspace. Let's say for the sake of this tutorial, you wanted to receive a real-time notification for high priority tickets. So you will connect to your Slack workspace, you will choose a channel for notification. Next, you will configure the integration to send notifications for high priority tickets that are open, along with details like the ticket title and assigned agent. Finally, you'll go ahead and set up by creating a high priority ticket and verifying that a notification is sent to the Slack channel. Please make sure you give this a thumbs up, click subscribe, and if there's any specific task you would like me to show you how to perform in Zendesk, please do let me know in your comments. I'll see you in the next one.